My tip for you this month is all about organizing supplies and which ones are the best for you. Now, I know you get super excited to get organized and then you want to rush out to the store and purchase all the pretty containers to make your space look beautiful. But wait, hang on one second. So follow the process and you won't waste money on containers that don't fit the space or don't match what you need to hold, and you end up wasting money in the process, and then you don't return the containers, and now you have a pile of bins throughout the house that don't fit anything. So empty the space. You know from listening to me many times, empty the entire space, declutter, categorize the items you're keeping, and then I want you to look at your empty space, look at the items you have, and I want you to measure your space height, width, and length, and then look at the items and measure those, and then purchase the bin to match the space that it's going to go into, and more importantly, that the bin has to fit what you're holding. So that way, I want you to get organized first, then go and purchase your bins or buy them online or wherever you choose to buy them. And that way, everything will fit like a puzzle, and that's how you'll maximize your space in this area that you're organizing. Now, I've just become an Amazon affiliate, so if you're looking for some of my favorite organizing products, now, one size does not fit all. Everybody functions differently. Everybody's spaces are different. So I choose products based on, again, what I'm organizing and the space it's going in. But there are some products that I use on a regular basis, like drawer organizers and some other office supplies that I like to use. So I've created this list for you to shop from if you're interested. I'm going to continually add to it, so keep checking back on my website for more products that I'm using with my clients, or sometimes I'll come across a product that I really love, and I'll link my website here for you to follow and check it out. But just remember, I know you get excited to buy the supplies, but hold on one second, get organized first, and then purchase your supplies. And you'll find that you're not returning the products because you're matching exactly what you need. So have fun with this. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.